Reserve Equipment Group, Technology Package, Lane Keeping System, Adaptive Cruise Control with Collision Warning, Blind Spot Monitoring System, Navigation, Backup Camera, Panoramic Vista Roof, Plush Heated, and Cooled Leather Interior, 19-inch Premium Alloy Wheels, Climate Package, Heated Steering Wheel, Rain Sensing Wipers, Sync 3 Voice Activated Bluetooth System, and much more. New vehicle pricing. Please contact dealer to see if you qualify for additional dealer discounts, factory incentives, and factory rebates. Prices do not include G8 tag, title Georgia lemon law fee, $56.95 electronic tag registration fee, GEA residents only, or $399.95 dealer documentation fee. Must print ad to receive quoted price. Subject to prior sale. Not responsible for typographical errors or VIN-generated errors.